Step-by-step solution for 100% disk usage in Windows 10. To fix the issue, we are following mainly 5 steps. Step 1. Local disk optimization. Step 2. Stop unwanted services. Step 3. Uninstall unwanted applications. Steps 4. Delete temporary files from system. Step 5. Manage startup applications in our system. Take care of each steps and finally clean up your system and get the issue solved. Using local disk optimization. Search for File Explorer. Click on this PC in the right side. Right-click on the local disk C where Windows is installed. Click on Properties. Go to Tools menu. Here you see the button to optimize the disk. The option is turned on which will use more disk, so we turn this off. Click on Change Settings button. Untick the option. Press OK. Close. Here you see the optimization is turned off. Here we go to our next step. Stop unwanted services. Step 3. Uninstall unwanted applications. Uninstall unwanted applications from our computer. This is the next step you have to do. For this, just search for Control Panel from Search Bar. Select Uninstall a program from the options. Double-check the software is already installed by you and not needed in your computer. To uninstall the program, right-click and press the option Uninstall/Change. Click Next and then Uninstall. The same way you have to uninstall. Steps 4. Delete temporary files from system. Have to do. For this we follow 2 methods. First one using device storage settings, and the second one using run function. Let us do the first one. Search for settings from search bar. In the settings, search for storage settings menu. Here you see the option, temporary files. After scanning, you get the list of temporary files. Check the list and press Remove Files button. Here your files are deleted. Now let us follow the second step. For this, search for Run Program. Here we got the program. Enter the key, %temp% and hit Enter. There we got the temporary files listed. Select the files and delete them. Here we have cleaned our system from temporary files. Step 5. Manage startup applications in our system. Manage startup applications. The next solution is to manage the startup applications which use more disk space. Open Task Manager. Click on Startup menu. Here you have to disable all the applications you don't want to start when you start your computer. For this, you have to right-click the application and select Disable option. The same way, disable all the application you don't want to when you start your computer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Never forget to share your friends. Subscribe the channel for more videos.